Hi, good evening. Welcome to Post Market Update with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels to watch out for from these levels for the week. Nifty opens around 19,731, tests the highs of 19,756 to close around 19,694, negative 0.19% below 19,700 zones for the day. Bank Nifty 2 opened around 43,591, tests the highs of 43,724 to close around 43,724 zones, forming a doji candle for the day. Nifty supports for the week is at 19,600 followed by 19,550. Resistance for the week is 19,850 followed by 19,900 zones. If we look at the derivatives data, Nifty resistance placed at 19,830 and 19,890 zones and supports placed at 19,660 followed by 19,600 zones for Nifty futures. The Bank Nifty resistance placed at 43,800 followed by 43,900, 44,100 zones and supports placed at 43,300 followed by 43,100 and 42,800 zones for the weekly expiry. Technically, Nifty and Bank Nifty after a pullback trading is in a range awaiting for a direction. The advance decline ratio stood at advances 77 versus declines of 105. Stock specific actions to continue. Add quality stocks to your long-term portfolio for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I believe our market updates is helping viewers in trading and investment decisions. If so, do subscribe our channel and hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. That's all for now. See you in our next video. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.